Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
On a nutrition guide on its website, Subway lists the ingredients of its tuna salad as flaked tuna in brine, tuna, water, salt, and mayonnaise. A spokesperson told the Post, "Tuna is one of our most popular sandwiches." 19 hours ago.
Make your mark, take our lead.
A 6-inch tuna sub has 530 calories, 31 grams of fat and 7 grams of saturated fat thanks to all the mayonnaise. A foot-long ham sub has almost 600 calories and more than a day's worth of sodium. Extras like soups and cookies will add hundreds of calories to your meal, so stick to the sandwiches.
Make your mark, take our lead.
The classic tuna, when served on a 6-inch roll without cheese or additional condiments, has 470 calories and 25 grams of fat, 4.5 grams of which are saturated. And it only gets worse if you add cheese.
Let's help you make your mark.
Subway mayonnaise are special customized mayonnaise, which are only used by Subway stores and they are not available in market. Southwest, my personal favorite sauce at Subway. Southwest is the spicy zesty version of mayonnaise and the best sauce of Subway. Also know, why is Subway mayo so good?
Take our lead.
Subway delivers 100% cooked tuna to its restaurants, which is mixed with mayonnaise and used in freshly made sandwiches, wraps and salads that are served to and enjoyed by our guests, a Subway spokesperson told Today. 19 hours ago.
Let's help you make your mark.
The major source of the fat is the tuna salad, comprising only tuna and mayonnaise, according to Subway's ingredient guide. Only 2.5 grams of fat comes from the bread and none from the vegetables. Subway's tuna is loaded with mayonnaise, plus it's likely tuna is packed in oil.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.